Hello friends, I am Rashmi. Welcome to SRS Info. Today we will continue with the discussion of tablets. In the last class, we discussed about the types of tablets and in detail about the excipients or additives is the main ingredient of one of the main ingredient of tablets. In today's discussions, we will see about the molded tablets. In the last class, we discussed that there are mainly two types of tablets. What are they? One is molded tablets and the other one is compressed tablets. In today's class, we will discuss in very detail about the molded tablets. The molded tablets are again classified into hypodermic tablets and dispensing tablets. And what is actually molded tablets? See, molded tablets are also called tablet triturates. Why? Triturate means very fine form of powder. Make the things into very fine form. So molded tablets contains very fine form of powder. And this form of powder we converted into tablets form. And these are very small disc shaped tablets. The molded tablets are in a very small disc shaped form. And these are prepared by forcing the soft mass into the cavities of the mold. That is why it is called as molded tablets. These are prepared by the soft mass is forcing into the cavities of small mold. And mainly the potent medicaments are used for preparing molded tablets. Why? I said you that this molded tablets are contains a very fine form of powder. So the potent medicaments needs a very small quantity. So due to this fine form of the medicament, the potent medicaments can used for making this tablets. So this is one of the advantage also. And how these molded tablets can be prepared? First, the potent medicaments is diluted with a diluent. See, this is the potent medicament, that is the powder form, and this is diluted with a diluent. It may be lactulose, dextrose, sucrose, or their mixture also. Okay, either this lactulose, dextrose, sucrose in separate form or their mixture. And this mixed powder moistened with suitable dilution of alcohol. After mixing it with this diluent, this is mixed with the suitable diluent form of alcohol. Mainly it is used to 50% of alcohol. Okay, and getting a soft mass, this mixture is mixed very thoroughly. And after mixing this mass into very thoroughly, then this soft mass is pressed into the perforations of the mold with a spatula. See, this is the perforation. I will show you in the next slide what's happening. This is the mold. Okay, this is the mold and the mixture is put into this mold. Just spread this preparations into this mold, and after making this with a spatula, this is cleaned out so that the medicament or that soft mass is enter into this molds. Okay, so it's a very clean and proper shape it will get. And after that, this plate is put over this plate. What is the speciality of this both of these plates? Suppose this contains 20 moles, then this ejections, this perforations also contains 20. The same numbers is here also. When this plate is put over this plate, and after that we put the pressure over this upper plate, then what will happen? The medicaments will be ejected through this perforations with the proper shape of that tablets. By this, when this plate is put over this, then give pressure over this, then this lower ejections, this is the ejected packs. Okay, this packs will get into ejected, and by carrying this molded tablets, by carrying this medicament which is filled into this mold, after that these tablets will release, taken out, and then undergoes the drying process. Okay, now I will explain you in this slide also. Just for a second. See what's happening here. So mix it thoroughly to get soft mass. After the soft mass is pressed into the perforations of the mold with a spatula, and thus And then what's happening? The perforated plate is placed over another plate having exactly same number of projecting pecks as that of this perforations. Okay. Then this projecting pecks completely fit into the holes. Pressure is applied over the top plate which will force the plate to move downward. Okay. Leaving the molded tablets on the projecting pecks. What I have shown you. This ejected tablets spread in a single layer on clean surface. This is spread over a clean surface and then it is dried by keeping in warm place or in hot air oven. This is the method by which the molded tablets is prepared. This is prepared in automatic tablet triturate machines, but I have already explained to you how it is happening. In the commercial production process, a tablet triturate machine can prepare about 2500 tablets per minute. This is the method, okay? Within a minute, we can prepare about 2500 of tablets. This is molded tablets, okay, how it is prepared. And I have already told you that these molded tablets are again classified into hypodermic tablets and dispensing tablet. Now look into the hypodermic tablets. What is it? What does hypodermic mean? It means relating to the region immediately beneath to the skin. This is means the hypodermic. It is immediately just beneath to the skin. So, for what purpose hypodermic tablets is used? These are soft, readily soluble tablets. Okay, this is hypodermic tablet, so it is very readily soluble form. And these hypodermic tablets are used for preparing solutions to be injected. Be careful this word. These tablets are not taken orally. This is taken by these are used for preparing solutions to be injected. These are make the solution. After making this tablet, when it is the time to administer, then it is dissolved in a proper solution. Make the form of injections. So that the material should be completely and readily soluble. This is one of the most important fact to be noticed while preparing this hypodermic tablets. All the ingredients should be completely and readily soluble. No insoluble particle should be present. Why? Because this preparation has to be injected and it should be free from bacterial contamination. These things have to be noticed. And so there are some disadvantages also. Why? Because we are preparing the tablet form and after at the time of administration it has to be dissolved. Okay. So the solution prepared from hypodermic tablets are rarely sterile. There is the question of sterility because the injection form needed more sterility. Okay. So this is one of the most important disadvantage, and due to this reason these solutions for injection is being discouraged nowadays. Why? There are enough parenteral administrative forms are available. Okay, so that hypodermic tablets are very less used nowadays. But you have to know what is it. The second one is dispensing tablet. What is it? Again, these tablets are prepared for providing an accurate and convenient quantity of a drug that can be incorporated readily in compounding other dosage forms. This is what is called dispensing tablet. It is readily dissolved. Okay. So, I already explained that the molded tablets are mainly used for preparing potent drugs. That is why it needed a very small quantity. Suppose we are preparing liquid formulation or powders or capsule etc. Through this medium, if we have to administer the potent drug, so it is very comfortable and convenient to mix the dispensing tablet in this formulation. Why? It is dissolved readily and the potent medicament in the very small amount can be incorporated with these formulations. This is the main advantage why these dispensing tablets are used. I hope you got the idea. The tablets are prepared for providing an accurate and convenient quantity of a drug that can be incorporated readily in compounding other dosage forms. Okay, these are not used for direct administration. These are mainly used for incorporating with other formulations like liquids, powders, capsules, etc. The incorporated medicaments can be potent drug. Okay. This eliminates the necessity of weighing small quantity of potent substances for the preparation of this powders, capsules, etc. Okay, and it provides a convenient quantity for administration as a dosage form. Both the advantages are there. It can be incorporated with other dosage formulations so that the convenient quantity administered with the convenient formulation. It contains very potent drug. Potent drug is only can be administered through this dispensing tablets. These are the main explanation about this hypodermic tablets and dispensing tablets. Now we concluded the molded form of tablets. The next classification is compressed tablets. We will continue the discussion in the next class. Thank you so much for watching this video.